Hello, my name is Misty. I am a tutor at the Student Success Center for San Juan College. Today, I would like to talk to you about a recording and editing software called TechSmith Knowmia. In the last video, we discussed how to record a video. In today's video, I want to go over some tips to use when you're ready to edit your video assignment. I want to start by launching the classic recorder from the previous video. If you have not downloaded the classic recorder, please stop this video and view the video called TechSmith Knowmia Classic Recorder before continuing on. To launch the classic recorder, click on the TechSmith Knowmia icon. It can be located on your desktop, underneath your Windows Start menu, or it can be located along your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. After your classic recorder has opened up, there are a few things you should check before you can begin editing your video. The first thing you should check is that you need to be logged in. If this icon says log in, click on the icon to sign into your TechSmith Knowmia account. A web page similar to what you see on my screen should appear. Please be sure to use your San Juan College email and password when you log into your account. Once you have finished entering in your San Juan College email and password, please click on the Sign In icon. Once your account has opened up, you will need to check to make sure your video assignment has processed and uploaded into the My Library option. You can access the My Library option by clicking on the link right below the You're Signed In, or selecting the link at the top of the web page. Let's go ahead and select one of the options now to open up the My Library option. Today, I am going to use the sample video named Demo from the tutorial called Recording a Video. I am going to select the TSK folder, and then I am going to click on the selected video to open it up. To give you a quick tour of what options are available in this screen, under the video title, you should see a menu bar with tabs similar to these. The Accessibility tab allows you to add captioning to your video, and we will go into more detail about this in the next tutorial. The Edit Media tab allows you to make edits to your video. You will see two choices under this tab. The first choice is known as Edit a Copy. This choice makes a duplicate of the original video. The other choice is Edit this video. This choice allows you to edit the original video. I always like to choose Edit a Copy because if I mess up or accidentally delete this video, I still have the original video to make another copy from. Let's go ahead and click on the button that says Copy and Edit. A window will appear named Copy Media. Please select My Library as the selected destination. Then select Copy. Your screen will be redirected to the video editor in TechSmith Knowmia. The first step in editing is to preview the video and take notes on where editing may be needed. After the video is ended, I can now start editing the video. I noticed there was a lot of dead air or no dialogue during some of the sections of the video, and I am going to show you how to edit these sections out. The first section I noticed dead air is after the word continue. If you take your mouse and place the cursor on the time track, you will notice that the arrow changes into a hand. This allows you to move the video feed forward or backwards while editing. Now that I have positioned the blue line in the correct spot, I will then select the icon with the green bookend, and when you hover over it, it says Set Start of Cut. I will allow the video to play through until I find where I want to select the icon with the red bookend. So I'm going to select between the 47-second and 48-second time frame. And I want to click on play just to make sure I'm not going to edit out any wording. So that sounds good to me. If you are comfortable with the amount of feed selected to be edited, you can click on the cut icon. If an edit does not come out right or has cut into the parts of the video that have dialogue, you can select the undo button, or you can select the previous cut option and correct the amount of video needing to be edited. If you need to take a break and come back to finish editing your video at a later time, you can select the Save and Exit button on the top left corner of your screen. If you have completed your video editing, then you can select the Publish button located on the top right of your screen. This brings us to the conclusion of how to edit a video in TechSmith Knowmia. Make sure to look out for our other videos on TechSmith Knowmia because they are coming soon. Please remember that assistance is here and your success matters. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos on the Student Success Center website by typing www.san juan college.edu/tutoring center/ the San Juan College Facebook page by typing www.facebook.com/tutoring sjc/. You can also view our videos on the San Juan College YouTube channel, and a menu of our videos will be displayed. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and do not forget to subscribe. Stay safe, stay healthy, and together we can do this.